Did you know tea is the most consumed beverage globally after water? Keep watching to uncover intriguing facts about this ancient drink. Every year, over 5 million tons of tea are produced worldwide. China, India, and Kenya lead in tea production globally. Different processing methods create black, green, or oolong tea. Did you know tea plants can live over 100 years? Sri Lankan tea gardens are renowned for their quality and taste. Matcha, a Japanese green tea, is stone ground into a fine powder. Pu'er tea undergoes a unique fermentation process. White tea is the least processed of all tea varieties. Hit the like button if you found this useful and subscribe.